I didn't know what it was either. I just saw it pop up.
It's a $1 real, babe.
No way.
Your first hole?
My first hole.
Let me get on my knees.
I was hoping it wasn't a
Memorial?
Oh yeah.
All right, get you something good here, Bill.
Pulled a piece of harmonica reed out over there.
Did you?
Did you?
That's
What?
why I was coming. I was like, let me clean up my hole here.
Bottle cap.
No way.
Bazinga!
Is it a loser?
Is it Coke?
No.
Out here today. Got some Hoover boys with us.
Randy.
How's it going, man?
What's up?
First target, should have live dug it again, but
Button.
got me a nice flat button.
There you go.
That's a great sign. Yeah.
That's what we like to see. Early.
And it's
buttons.
got a shank.
Yeah, shank up, man. I love it when the shank's up.
Yeah. Viagra button.
Yeah.
Congrats, man.
Thank you, thank you. And again, right at the trucks, you can see right there. First signal, should have live dug it again. That's 2.
Shut up.
Got a good maker mark on the back, I believe, as well.
Beautiful field.
Sweet.
I'm kicked out.
He just sent us packing?
Is that shiny?
It looks shiny.
Whoa.
It sounds
Oh
shiny.
my goodness, what is this, Bob? What is that? I think it's a $1 real.
No.
What?
There's no Spanish in West Virginia.
I think.
I didn't know what it was either. I just saw it pop up.
It's a $1 real, babe.
No way.
Man, you guys
Your
got-
first hole?
My first hole.
Let me get on my knees.
I was hoping it wasn't a
Memorial?
like an aluminum tag or something. Is that a real?
That's a $1 real, B. Let me get a light swipe. I was hoping it was going to be early US.
It has a number 1 on it.
Yeah, it's counter-stamped.
What?
Oh, wow.
1780.
No,
Shut
seriously?
King Charles the First $1 real.
Shut the front door. I can see it now.
It was beautiful,
You gotta
Bob.
be
What were we
kidding.
just saying? We haven't dug too much silver.
All right, guys. We got
Well,
Get out of here.
well, Randy was nice seeing you.
Yeah.
that's the 30-second curse. I hope not.
Oh my
no.
gosh.
It's been such a weird day.
Oh no.
Kurt, we got a pack.
What? And there's a number 1 on it.
Oh
we
my
started
gosh.
in Maryland. We were almost in Pennsylvania, and then we drove to West Virginia.
Look at
West
that.
Virginia to find Spanish.
Oh my gosh. That is
Good job, buddy.
so-
Thank you.
That is
Game
so
on.
cool.
Holy Toledo.
Good job, man.
That is ridiculous. Boom.
Good one.
Thank you, sir.
Gee whiz.
Happy now?
What?
Can I put it in my...
See, we got something. See what we got here.
Yeah, clean it up. So let's come back.
Let's clean it up and come back.
Clean it up before it dries up.
Some sort of token.
Nice. Very cool.
Oh, I see words.
Yeah, it's got Jefferson. It's a dog tag.
It's a
dog
dog tag?
Yep.
Oh, no.
Yeah, see the hole up there, and it's gonna say Jefferson County,
Jefferson
West Virginia,
County.
and a number. Yep, there it is. Dog tag.
You don't want people to know where we are, do you?
Nah, that don't matter.
No.
Nah,
Guess this is all his property, so it's not like they're going to get on it, right?
you're right.
Yep.
Some
Is there a
old-
year?
Some old
Don't look
dog
like
died right here.
1851.
Negative.
It's one of them Civil War
Are
dogs.
you sure? It could be a Civil War service dog tag.
Yeah,
Dog tax county. That is a date.
should be. Yeah, it should have a date on it.
There's no way that's a date. Maybe 1950s.
No, that's the date. That
Yep.
was a Civil War.
1959
service
through
dog tag.
70. 1969 through 70.
Nice.
Yep, 69 through 70.
Beautiful. I like it.
Huh?
I like
Good
it a
job.
lot.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you very much.
you remember
Oh,
that.
right.
It's a good keepsake.
Yes, it is.
Remember your time here.
Dog tag.
I will.
That real doesn't have any kind of like address or nothing like that on it. You'll forget where you got that, but you'll remember forever where you got that dog tag.
I will.
He forgets a lot of things.
I do. You can't read.
Heard you got something. Nice.
I was thinking like that right here.
Nice. Well, let's check out that one first.
Well, let's see. Yep, that's a piece of scrap.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Yep.
All right, what you got
See
over
it
here?
there, but definitely a 3-ringers laying right there.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, yeah. Check that out. I'd say that's a drop.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me.
Yeah, up
Look-
here.
Look where we're at.
Yep. Oh, exactly. Exactly.
What Kurt dig up there?
Bob got a dog tag.
Oh, okay.
Awesome find.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
I'm on the board.
Yeah, that's right. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Nope.
You know, I have done a lot of hunting on that side of the road, way over,
Yeah.
back way over, and we figured the troops had marched
Through?
back through here.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I would think you guys are correct.
Even then, just coming in down through the tracks, working their way, you know.
Oh, yeah.
All right, get you something good here, Bill.
Put a piece of harmonica reed out over there.
Did you?
Did you?
That's
What?
why I was
That's good
coming,
sign.
but I was like, let me clean up my hole here.
Yeah, it's a good sign.
I'll be like, I know I'll forget it if not. I think that's what's gonna be right there. Nope.
Right in there.
Yeah, right in that clump.
Little.
Oh, no, it's a bullet 3-ringer.
Hey, check that
All
out.
right.
Right there. Man, that
See,
wasn't deep
that's
at all.
And that's a different one,
I'm
isn't it?
still in
That's
the
different
L3
from what? Is that the same
Actually,
thing?
oh, no, it looks the same.
No, I think it's the same,
Man,
too.
it's the same. Okay.
I'd clean the bottom of them out. You might have you
Yeah,
start in there.
might have a worse than Arsenal one.
Yeah.
Arsenal one.
Yeah. All right. So this is a little
this
hot
is the
spot
hot
up here.
spot right here. Then you're right, you found it.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it cleaned up pretty nice.
Yeah, start doing some circles in here. They might have just put up camp for a night.
Could have been. Could have been.
Awesome.
That's the ugliest one.
I was going to say, that is kind of an ugly one.
That
isn't
might
it?
be like a rifle sling.
Oh,
buckle.
yeah, could be. Nice. Dang. That pocket just keeps on giving.
Oh, that's all the bullets.
Yeah. Man, that's awesome.
That's all she wrote.
Yeah, good job.
Yes, sir. Thank you. There has to be more.
Well, everybody's been popping bullets. And I just got on the board. Just got on the board.
Just in case something else.
Sweet.
What are you getting? I mean, it could be a bullet, but
I believe this is a Sharps.
is it rolling?
Sweet.
You got a 3-ringer or is it
That's Sharps.
sharps? And see, that's odd because we're getting all the 3-ringers over here and now we're pulling sharps. Yep.
Good old flat. It's cool.
Yeah. How's that what? Is that considered?
Got a live dig going on here.
Just another bullet. Just another amazing piece of Civil War history.
Let's go see what's going on.
Bottle cap. I never said it's different.
Bottle cap.
Live digs.
Good
that's
job.
why. Yep, I had to live dig it. Canada dry ginger ale.
Nice.
That's what happens.
Show the love
Live
for
dig a bottle
Canada.
cap.
That was probably mine when I was a kid.
Yeah, that's right.
Just in case there's a 2-cent piece, I needed Bob to hold the camera for me.
Oh.
That's right.
Oh, Bob doesn't have his 2-cent piece?
No.
Come around this side right here.
Yeah.
I thought it was a button at first because it rang up like a button, but
Oh, it's silver. It says
it silver?
sterling on it. Yeah.
does it?
Yeah, right on top.
Jeez, you know, at first it wasn't ringing up like that. It must have been sideways.
What is it?
Silver,
Oh, for real?
but not coin.
Yeah, but it's silver.
Yeah.
Sure enough. Look at that. It's even got the numbers on it.
925?
925 over 1,000.
Wow.
Jeez.
Just had a solid signal here in the corn. And I believe I got me a button. Sure enough.
Nice.
Yeah, man. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Awesome.
I'm buttonless, I'll get one.
Well, we're out here. It's dark. It's raining. And Farmer Al's got a bucket lister. In the hole. Look at there.
Good old hemley.
Him weight. Pretty one.
Sure is.
I bet she was a good looking gal.
Button or an Indian. That's a coin. That's a coin. It's an Indian.
No way.
Yeah, it's gonna be an Indian. Yep. That's exactly what that is. 1 cent Indian.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is awesome.
Coin in here and then invade my territory already.
Yeah.
Bottom feeding again, right?
You want to get some skin on it there?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you can keep your hands cold.
Sure enough.
Yeah,
Look at that.
I'll
Good
be done.
job,
I told you the
Bill.
stuff over here.
they're filming something right now.
Yeah.
Got that brush.
Well, I guess
Can't
it's
get
a
any more.
what do
Yeah,
they
you have
say?
to get a little. It's
It's a Hoover Boys episode of you guys digging Indian.
Yeah.
You better get him over here to
Oh, he'll film it. We'll get
film
it.
it. Yeah.
He ain't gonna rush over here for that. Trust me. He's over there
I
having
see
fun.
that date.
So I'm hoping. Oh yeah, maybe it looks good. Looks to be a good one.
Uh-oh.
Didn't want that to happen. Yeah. $18.84.
1884. Oh man,
I haven't dug an Indian in forever.
that's awesome. Yeah, 1884.
Let's drop.
Very cool, man. Good job.
Place her in there. We'll stick her in there. There's gotta be more here, man. Gotta tear it up.
Yeah.
This area is good.
By the green.
Yeah.
It's an Indian.
No
Another
doubt.
Indian.
Nice.
Bill's on a roll.
77.
You see a date on it?
I will.
Okay.
Yeah, let him meat pull it. Thumb punch it.
Must have had a little coin spill right in this area.
That sounded amazing.
I called you over too soon. Darn, going.
It's an 1884.
That's what
Wow.
the last one was.
I didn't
Well,
walk. I didn't walk over that way enough.
Wow.
Yeah, buddy.
Twins.
I'm gonna find the CD dime.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, Tanya, there's gotta be one around here.
It's a bottle cap.
No way.
Bazinga!
Is it a? Is it Coke?
No. Unbelievable.
Look at that big
Oh,
fat
man.
Oh
rock.
my gosh. How rotten.
Oh,
Yeah, it is
man.
colonial though.
Unbelievable.
It's an old bottle.
Well, I believe I've got a button.
One thing about this is
You can see that right there. See it? Pop it and find out. I do believe. Ooh, the mud. Yep. Nice big old button. Nice big old button. Pretty cool. Well, we're wrapping up our day, going through our finds, and everyone have a good time.
yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Thank you all for coming,
Thanks for having us.
and it was a good day.
It was a good day.
Lots of bullets, lots of Civil War stuff. It's good.
Random Spanish silver.
Thank you guys for coming.
No,
Thank you.
thanks for having us.
Thank.